we started with the chapter of various movements in India. And as we know that when Bengal got divided, okay, Hindus and Muslims, they stood united. They boycotted the British products and they gave a big fight to the British. So by now the British realized that if Hindus and Muslims become united, they will be able to defeat us, they will be able to pull us down. And we all know that Britishers wanted to rule over India, right? So they would do anything to remain in India. By adopting the divide and rule policy, the English wanted to create a conflict between Hindus and Muslims. So what did Britishers do? They started dividing Hindus and Muslims. They started telling Hindus that the Muslims are bad, and they started telling Muslims that the Hindus are bad. Okay, and that is how they started dividing us and started ruling over us. The then Viceroy Lord Minto and the Indian Wazir Diwan Morley together planned to crush the Indian nationalism. So what happened at that point of time? The Viceroy in India was Minto, and his minister, Diwan etle minister, was Morley. They both came up with a plan to crush Indian nationalism. What is nationalism? Love for one's own country. In India, people started realizing that they wanted India free. They wanted India free from Britishers, and they wanted to crush down this feeling of nationalism that was growing so much among the people in India. When the national fight became stronger, the English began to favor the upper class Muslims. So when the nation was fighting together as a team, what did the English do? They started chadaving the chavi to upper class Muslims. Okay, they started favoring the Muslims. What happens is, if let's say ki, there are 5 students in the class, હું 3 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપું છું, બહુ ફેવર કરું છું, વધારે માર્ક્સ આપું છું, એ લોકોને બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપું છું, તો બીજા 2 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને શું થશે કે મેમ ઇઝ નોટ ફેર, મેમ ઇઝ નોટ રાઇટ, મેમ ઇઝ ટેકિંગ their side and ma'am is always favoring them. So both of y'all will stop talking to those 3 girls, right? Because you feel that ma'am is always taking your side, it's wrong and all that. So this is like nanny games which the English was playing. They started favoring or giving importance to upper class Muslims who were there. The English became successful in convincing a group of Muslims that they must form a Muslim organization to demand for separate voting rights and separate voting centers. So what did the English do? They were able to successfully convince એટલે મનાવી લીધા હતા આ upper class Muslims ને કે ભાઈ you should start your own organizations which is for only Muslims. Okay, and they said that you should demand for voting rights, कि Muslims ने that they should be given permission to stand in elections alone. પહેલા શું હતું કે પહેલા કોંગ્રેસ હતી, તો કોંગ્રેસમાં ભાઈ હિન્દુઝ અને મુસ્લિમ્સ હતા. There was no different organization. But after Morley, okay, and Minto told the Muslims, they said that you start your own party, you start your own organization, call it Muslim League, and ask for voting rights. Okay, that is the right to vote and separate voting centers. मतलब give us separate locations to stand for elections. Give us separate places where we could where people could vote for us. So they demanded these. They told the Muslim League that in Congress you start demanding these things and you start forming your own organization. Look, you will not be given so much importance if you are a part of Congress. Come out from Congress and start your own organization, start your own political organization. Okay, so this is what the English did. Okay, as a result, Muslim League was formed in 1906. Religious head of Muslims Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto and his personal minister Dunlop Smith had played a very important role in establishment of this organization. So finally in 1906 a political organization came into being, and this organization was called Muslim League. Who all were the main people who led to the formation of Muslim League were, first was Aga Khan, who was a religious head. Religious એટલે મૌલવી કે ઈ હશે. Okay, so Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka. Okay, Dhaka is in Bangladesh. So Bangladesh no Raja Salimullah Khan. Remember, at that time there was no Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh was part of India only. Viceroy Minto and his personal minister, એટલે એનો ખુદનો personal minister Dunlip Smith. All these people played a very very major role into formation of Muslim League. In order to stop Muslims from attending the annual conference of Congress, the annual conference of Muslim League was arranged on the same day as that of Congress. So now what happened is, Muslim League did not want the other Muslims to go in Congress. They wanted more and more Muslims to join Muslim League. So what they would do, कि whenever there is conference જે થાતી હોય, તો જ્યારે કોંગ્રેસની કોન્ફરન્સ થાય ત્યારે જ મુસ્લિમ લીગની કોન્ફરન્સ થાય, સેમ ડે સેમ ટાઈમ એવરીથિંગ. So what happens is that જે બીજા મુસ્લિમ્સ હોય, even if they want to attend કોંગ્રેસની conference, they would not be able to attend it. They would have to go for Muslim League's conference. Why? Because obviously, look, if I am a Hindu, okay, and if there is an organization for the Hindus, obviously I'll go and attend the meeting for the Hindus. Why? Because મારે યાર સમાજમાં રહેવું છે, રાઈટ. અગર હું મુસ્લિમ લીગની કે હું મારા સમાજની કોન્ફરન્સ અટેન્ડ નહીં કરું અને બીજા લોકોની કોન્ફરન્સ અટેન્ડ કરીશ, તો ઓબ્વિયસલી જે મુસ્લિમ્સ છે, સોરી, જે હિન્દુઝ છે, એ મારો બહિષ્કાર કરશે. They will say, she's a bad person, she does not attend our meeting and conference, બીજા લોકોના ઓલામાં જાય છે, આપણામાં નથી આવતી, ને all that drama. So obviously the Muslims had no choice but to attend the conferences of Muslim League. Okay. Thus the demand for separate representation is not the brain of the Muslim but the English policy. Minto started the policy by taking Muslims as associates. So the fact that the Muslim League started demanding for different representatives, started demanding that we also want to stand in election, that our candidate also wants to stand in election, that we also want voting rights, is not something which the Muslims had an idea about. It was a chavi that was chadowed by Morley, okay, and Minto. Minto stated the policy of taking Muslims as associates. Okay, he started favoring the Muslims. He started giving lot of advantage to the Muslims. Thus, why many writers consider Minto as the father of Muslim communalism. So this is how Minto started spreading hate for Hindus towards Muslims and for Muslims towards Hindus. Okay, communalism is what? When people of two religions or of different religions fight. Okay. So the fact that Hindus started hating Muslims and Muslims started hating Hindus was not something that was created by the Muslims, but it was something that was created by Morley and Minto. A historian also to a great extent says that the real creator of Pakistan was not Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Rahimutullah but Minto. So remember one thing, okay, for a very long time Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a part of Congress, okay, but after he got really old, he joined Muslim League. And the fact that the reason why Pakistan was created was not something because Jinnah wanted or Rahimutullah wanted, but it started all the way from Minto. Since then, the conflict between Hindus and Muslims has resulted in the division of India. And the day Muslim League came into being, the day Minto did all this nonsense, from that day onwards, Hindus and Muslims ની વચ્ચે problems create થવા માંડી હતી.